उत्कर्ष ओडिशार लोगो वर्तमान मुख्यमंत्री मोहन माझी पूर्व सरकार समय होइतबा मेक इन ओडिशार ना परिवर्तन करी उत्कर्ष ओडिशा करिसंती मोहन सरकार एवं आज उत्कर्ष ओडिशार लोगो उन्मोचन कार्यक्रम रे मुख्यमंत्री समेत शिल्प मंत्री संपत स्वाई एमएसएमई मंत्री गोकुलानंद मल्लिक मुख्य शासन सचिव मनोज आहूजा विभिन्न विभाग सचिव शिल्पानुष्ठान कर्मकर्ता शिल्पपति और समस्त जिलार जिलापाल मैंने ये उपस्थित अच्छा उत्कर्षर लोगो आज उन्मोचित होइछि।
युवपीढ़ी पाखे रोजगार पहुंचेब शिशु मानकर सुंदर स्वास्थ्य को शिक्षा को सशक्त करिब ए स्वप्न प्रतिबद्धता राज्य सरकार एवं यही प्रतिबद्धता पछरे जहाँकर नेतृत्व से जड़े अति साधारण मनीष किंतु तांकर चिंता तांकर स्वप्न ओडिशा पाई असाधारण आपण मानक अभिनंदन करताली सहित माननीय मुख्यमंत्री ओडिशा महोदय को अनुरोध करी निजर अभिभाषण रखिए। गोटे बड़ जोर करताली हवा दरकार माननीय मुख्यमंत्री ओडिशा श्री मोहन चरण माझी महोदय ओडिशा सरकार को पाई
जय जगन्नाथ। ऑनरेबल डेप्यूटी चीफ मिनिस्टर कनकवर्धन सिंहदेव महाशय, ऑनरेबल डेप्यूटी चीफ मिनिस्टर प्रभाती परिडा महाशया, ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर इंडस्ट्रीज स्किल डेवलपमेंट एंड टेक्निकल एजुकेशन संपत चंद्र स्वाई, Honorable Minister Fisheries and Animal Resources Development, Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, Mr. Gokulananda Malik Mahashay, Honorable Ministers, Chief Secretary Manoj Ahuja, Department Secretaries, Senior Government Officers, collectors and district magistrates, esteemed leaders from industry and commerce, representatives of industry associations and representatives of the print and electronics media, and ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pleasure to stand before you today as we unveil the logo for our flagship Investors Summit, Utkarsh Odisha Make in Odisha Conclave 2025. This logo represents the vision and aspirations of a progressive Odisha, a state poised to lead India's industrial resurgence in the coming years. The logo, as you can see, connects deeply with state's cultural roots and with a future-ready Odisha that speaks volumes of our commitment to see a glittering Odisha of progress with a mirage stars. My government has set long-term goals and objectives for industrial development in the state, and hence we are developing visionary policies and robust industrial infrastructure and improving the ease of doing business to assure a business-friendly environment. We have announced many landmark initiatives during our first 100 days in office, including development of an FDI park, dedicated garment manufacturing and food processing parks, MSME parks in each district, multimodal logistic parks, industrial corridors and construction of worker hostels in industrial regions across the state in coming days as a token of our firmness in delivering the dedicated administration in all aspects. The Make in Odisha conclave is not just an event for discussions and deliberations, but a potential platform for action, a stage where plans will be converted into partnerships and partnership into progress in delicate manner. The Utkarsh Odisha Make in Odisha Conclave 2025 promises to be bigger, better and more ambitious than any other such conclaves in the past. It will showcase the state's dynamic businesses, environment, our key growth sectors and the new opportunities that lie ahead. With your support, we are confident of achieving our vision of creating a vibrant and globally competitive industrial ecosystem in our state, which will foster economic and industrial growth under the umbrella of sustainable development goals. The state government is fully committed to a whole of government approach where all departments come together to support industries as one cohesive unit. This approach will ensure that business receive seamless assistance from policy formation to project implementation. Additionally, our collectors and district magistrates at the grassroots level will play an instrumental role in guiding industries to swiftly ground their projects and resolve any issues that arise with proactive support and efficient coordination. You will be happy to know that today we had the conference of collector and district magistrates, and keeping in mind the need for rapid industrialization of the state, we had a separate session on ease of doing business and a responsive administration. We address and resolve any bottlenecks. The collectors are instructed to deal with the industry-related matters not only fairly but also quickly in the interest of their own districts and for the state overall, so that the economic progress will be on the driver's seat. Today's unveiling of the logo and the investor-friendly charter is more than just a symbol of an event. It's a symbol of the Odisha of tomorrow, the Odisha of new opportunities, and our state Odisha that will soon be a leader of industrialization. I believe that together we will make the upcoming conclave a resounding success and take Odisha to greater heights. The literal meaning of Utkarsh is best of the best. We are determined to make Odisha Utkarsh conclave really the best of such events in the country and take steps to ensure not only participation of the large section of the industries, but ensure most of them are actually grounded. Your cooperation and caring implementation will result in a dynamic change in the coming years. So, let's welcome the spring of hope and holistic approach from all of you, and I believe that all of you and us together can make a difference. Invest in Odisha, invest in future. Bande Utkal Janani, Jai Hind.
आप देखुले सीधा सड़क सीधा प्रसारण उत्कर्ष ओडिशार लोगो उन्मोचन अवसर में मुख्यमंत्री उद्बोधन।